Hello everybody, today I will show you how to fix Microsoft Print to PDF not working in Windows 10 or 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Go to Windows search bar, type Windows feature. You will find turn Windows feature on or off, click and open it. Microsoft Print to PDF, if it's unchecked, check it and click on OK. Restart your computer, right click on Start button, click on Settings, click on Devices, click on Printer and Scanner, click on Add a printer or scanner, click the printer that I want is not listed, click on Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings, click on Next, select Print to File, click on Next, click on Microsoft, select Microsoft MS XPS class driver 2. That's it. Thanks for watching.